Welcome back to Miles&Feels. I stepped out for some work, and my destination is B.O.O.R.C Hospital, Newtown. Right now, I'm riding on Belghoria Expressway, and as you can see, the road condition is quite poor, full of patchwork and potholes everywhere. Crossing the airport signal. I took a right turn towards the road behind the airport. Honestly, this stretch is one of my favorites, less crowded and a bit peaceful compared to the main highway. Riding through here always feels refreshing. From here, I entered Rajarhat Road. And soon after, I reached the Jogardanga signal. Taking a left turn, I entered one of the worst roads in this route. As you can clearly see, the surface is broken, full of bumps and uneven patches. It almost feels like riding on the moon's surface rather than a city road. Despite the challenges, I kept moving forward, carefully handling the potholes. This road really tests both the rider and the bike. Anyone traveling this way would agree how tough this stretch is. Finally, after crossing this difficult path, I reached my destination, Bhattacharya Orthopedics and Related Recovery Center, B.O.O.R.C Hospital, Newtown. Thanks for joining me on this ride. If you enjoyed this POV journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more Kolkata bike rides.